Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in the previous video we have seen how do we convert JSON to XML. In this video guys, we will see the reverse. How can we convert XML to JSON? In order to convert that guys, we have a requirement. We have to install a package. The package is npm install fs.xmljs. This is the package. If we install this package, we can take this library and we can use it for conversion from XML to JSON. So now it has now been installed. Without any further ado, let us start the video. Now here we'll use a var fs equal to require fs, since we need to write or read the file. In this particular scenario, we will write the result into a JSON file. That will be the perfect string. So now we will require xmljs package. So I'll write convert xml to JSON. I'll take this as variable. I put require. This package will take xml to JS. We have another package xml-js, so we'll not use that. So this package looks good. In this we can easily convert the XML data to JSON. So yeah, I'll put var xmldata. So I need a simple example. So I'll take this. So I've already stored this and I've copied it now. This one is a simple XML where I have taken two students. Personal information, first name, last name and gender. So A is the first name, B is his last name, and similarly I have taken C and D for the first name, last name for another student. So a simple example, we can easily take that and we can easily convert it. Now this is where the conversion comes. So I'll do what? I'll use convert xmljson. I'll put dot. We can see various methods. Now I would require only one method. I would require parseString. In this, you can open this. You can see the string convertible to string, and we need a callback function. So which string we need to convert? So we have to we need to convert XML data. I'll put comma. Now we need a simple callback function, which gives you error and also the result. So I'll write same thing, error comma results. So result will be the converted JSON file. So now here what we can do, we can convert and we also want to print that file. We also want to write into a JSON file. So I'll do what? fs.writeFile, open bracket. Here I'll write XML to JSON.json. I need to write in this file. I'll put comma here. Now what do we have here? So I want JSON.stringify. What I want to stringify? I want to stringify the result what we got here. So I have to stringify this one. And now we can simply follow by error function. If you put comma, you can see always a callback function will be there. Callback function are always designed if error is there, catch the error. Console only will be typed if the scenario is correct. Error will come if the file is not generated. I'll write JSON file is generated. So this is a simple program we have. Let us now run it. So convert XML to JSON.js. So it says JSON file is generated. Let's see XML to JSON.json. Yeah, you can see the XML file is generated here. Let me click on that. So we got it in JSON format, but let us beautify this. In order to beautify this, let me open the browser. we can easily use this one. Let me put it. So here JSON file is created. Student is a big division. Now we have personal information. Personal information of a student A and a student B. This is the structure which we have created. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.